part 6. So, ang tagal ko na huling upload. Pero nagbabasa kasi ang Bible and gusto kong share sa inyo. So, quick update lang. Magagano pa rin naman nangyayari. Mas marami ngayong araw na walang benta, lugi. So, malaki din na lugi natin. Pero, okay lang dahil nakita ko tong verse na to. This is from Corinthians. Makikita nyo. Tapos ito. I will boast, but about myself, I will not boast, except about my weakness. Yun, lagi ako nagdadasal, lagi ako nagbebeg kay Lord, lagi ako nang hihingi ng wisdom sa Kanya, ng kung ano, ng breakthrough sa Kanya. Tapos yung sumunod na verse na nakita ko is this. 3 times I begged the Lord about this, that it might leave me. But He said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for power is made perfect in weakness. I will rather boast most gladly of my weaknesses, in order that the power of Christ may dwell with me. Therefore I am content with weakness, insults, hardships, persecutions, and constraints for the sake of Christ. For when I am weak, then I am strong. At hindi doon natatapos. Kasi naalala ko si Job. So kung kilala nyo si Job, siya ay isang mayaman na faithful kay Lord. Tapos Satan approached God na kaya lang naman yan faithful sa'yo kasi tignan mo yung buhay niya. Sobrang dami ng blessings na binigay mo sa kanya. Pero to cut the long story short, God allowed Satan to attack Job. Nawala lahat ng meron siya, pati asawa niya, ari-arian niya, lahat mga anak niya nawala. Tapos nakita ko to. Dito pa rin yan sa Corinthians, pero chapter 13, makikita mo verse 5. Oops. Examine yourselves to see whether you are living in faith. Test yourselves. Do you not realize that Jesus Christ is in you? Unless, of course, you fail the test. I hope you will discover that we have not failed, but we pray to God that you may not do evil. Not that we may appear to have passed a test, but you may do what is right. Even though we may seem to have failed, for we cannot do anything against the truth, but only for the truth. For we rejoice when we are weak, but you are strong. What we pray for is your improvement. So, noong mga panahon kasing Job was being attacked, lahat ng mga nawala sa kanya, he remained faithful. He remained out of sin. Hindi siya gumagawa ng kahit anong kasalanan. Naniniwala pa rin siya kay Lord. Faithful pa rin siya. Kaya in the end, binalik ni Lord lahat kay Job ng doble-doble pa. Ng sobra-sobra pa. So, ang lesson dito is, baka nangyayari din sa'yo to. Baka nakaka-experience ka ng attacks. Mga bigla-bigla na lang nawawalang bagay. Yung relationship mo. Kung ano-ano man na mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin, there's something greater for you. Patuloy ka lang, maging faithful ka lang, and God always prevails. Yan, kaya ka nakaka-receive ng attacks ngayon. So, God allowed it for a reason. Pero remain faithful, huwag ka mag-fall back doon sa old habits mo. Patuloy ka lang, be closer to God than ever. At papalitan niya yan more than you can comprehend. Kaya keep the faith.